Excited to show this one. This lot is absolutely huge. We are in Prosper, Texas in Legacy Gardens, and I like the stone elevation. What are your thoughts, Patrice?
I like it too. I think it's fun to see something different.
The cedar trim, you got a little porch area so you can put your little rockers out there, meet your neighbors, all that good stuff. I like it. It's got an 8-foot entryway, and then you come on in and take a look.
Welcoming you with that Texas star.
The Texas Star. You've got the white oak wide plank flooring, which is nice.
You say that in every video.
I know, it seems to be the common thing. But look
really
how
is.
wide the stair, I mean not stairs, the entryway is pretty good size.
It's really, really nice. And I like the ceilings. I like the way they did the nice, really deep tray ceilings right there.
You got all solid core doors. You've got a coat closet here.
There we go.
And then you've got a bedroom over here. Like I said, this is a 4-bedroom. Oh, you actually have 2 bedrooms over here. All right, so they are
Sharing this bathroom.
sharing that bath. Thank you.
I'll just finish
Use your words,
sentences.
Andy.
I'll finish your sentences, don't worry. Very nice. They took the tile all the way up, which we love. And this is nice. It's got these nice tall ceilings in here. Big
Yeah.
windows.
It's a good sized room.
It's a really good sized room.
And then you've got this closet, and they double stacked it. And again, it's solid core. I mean, even on the closets, which is nice.
I do like that they double stacked it. That's nice. Fit more stuff in there. And then I'm assuming the other one's the same. Yep. High ceilings in here also. Pretty, a little bit smaller, but not a whole lot.
Yeah, maybe like a good guest room if you. They didn't double stack this one, but they have a couple different levels.
Yeah, not bad. Okay.
All right, let's go take a look at what else. Now, you guys are gonna have to stay tuned because you're not gonna want to miss the special offers that they have going right
Oh
now.
my goodness, there's so many. It's so nice. Okay, so we go down here. You've got a nice little guest bath right here. Little powder bath, which is really nice. And then behind me is the garage with the little mud area. I like the color of that. That's
Yeah, now
cool.
this is a 3-car garage, so what you're looking at right there would be your 2-car, and then it's split with the 3rd car. Now
that's
this
nice.
room it seems like it's a little bigger, and it has its own ensuite.
This is big. It's a really big room.
And the ceilings, like you mentioned before, are really high.
Yeah, they're really nice. Very nice. And then I love that it has its own bathroom. So yeah, this is great if you have, family members living with you or whatever. That would be their own little spot.
You have 2 clothes.
Oh, wow.
All right.
Somebody with lots of coats can move in here.
Hey, after that winter storm that we just had,
Hey, and then they've got this nice little art niche right here. I like that.
all right, so come on through here. Now this is the heart of the home. I can see putting in some beams, maybe. Obviously, that's.
You are gonna stick a beam anywhere you can.
I'm gonna put beams wherever. So, it is what it is. The other thing I would probably do is make this maybe like a bar area.
Yep.
But I
do.
like how the fireplace is kind of centered in the room. It's not quite exactly centered though.
I like the height of the ceilings. They're tall enough, but not super tall, and so it feels warm and cozy
Yeah.
in here. And I do like these sliders and the windows up above them. That's nice.
Yep. And then look at you got this big breakfast area, dining area. I mean, this can support a big table. Yeah, for sure.
Lots of windows and the nice big tray ceiling again. This is a great space.
Yeah, I mean, this is a great home for just about for anybody. It's kind of checks off a lot of boxes. And if you're not looking for that 2-story, this is, like I said, just under 3,000 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, but it's also great for those that want to downsize.
Oh, it's a perfect downsizing house. Yeah, if you're, want just a single story, but enough space for your kids if they need to come stay or family members. I love it. I do like the color of that island. I think it's really neat.
Yeah, like this green. You know what I'm noticing is they don't have a dishwasher installed.
No, they don't.
Okay.
They have to still
I was
add
like,
that.
what is, I was looking for the dishwasher thinking that maybe that was like a little fridge
They
area.
are going to be adding that still, but I like the trash thing. That's always nice to have.
Yeah, but everything's soft close.
They did do a nice little pot filler. That backsplash is actually really pretty. I think it's soft and not like obnoxious, but I like all the cabinets.
Yeah, the whole look of this is really nice.
Now, Riseland builds a nice home. They really do. You don't see them very often here, but they're quality. They do build a nice quality home.
Yeah, they were actually the developer of Mantua, right, in Van Alstyne. Look at how you have a split. I like this.
This is a big cabinet right here, a big, tall cabinet. Oh, look at you put cookie sheets and stuff in there. That's fun.
Look at this.
Oh, a sink. Look at that. What would you need a sink there for?
Prep sink.
A prep sink?
Yeah, you're doing your
Okay.
vegetables or whatnot, and then you've got a Costco approved snack closet.
You sure do.
Wow.
Wow, this is nice. Yeah, I guess that's more for those cooks out there, not so much for me. Is that?
Yeah. Now,
I'm not so
one
much a
thing
cook.
that I wanted to cover is these guys right now. They are doing a $50K rate buy down and or closing costs.
Wow, that's a lot.
50,000.
Yeah, we haven't seen that much yet.
That's insane. Yeah, that will get you a good buy down, or you could probably use it as a combo. I don't know. I can't confirm that, but use 30 of it for
Yeah.
your buy down and then 20 of it for closing costs. Look at this. Look at the lot. It's so wide. It's a 90-foot lot and it's deep.
It's very deep and private. None of those houses, well, you've got that one there, but you could put some trees up.
Yeah, you could definitely put some trees and have room to put whatever else you want to put in.
Look at it, you got a whole side yard over here too. I'm gonna walk over here real quick. Oh my goodness, that's huge.
Yeah, it's so wide.
And then the same thing on the other side too.
Yeah, I mean, look how this is
That's
giant.
great.
So for those that are looking for kind of those big oversized lots, I mean, here you go.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, I like the feel of it. You know, it's just the high ceilings, especially you put some of your own personal touches, some color on the walls and that sort of thing. Look at this laundry area. You got all the cabinets, you've got your sink, and then you've got a spot for a fridge dedicated with the water so you can have your ice and all that good stuff. And then here is your single car for that toy.
Oh, that's nice. So if you have a golf cart maybe, or motorcycle, or small car.
Or all your...
You're not gonna fit your big truck in here or anything, but
No, but you could put like what's nice about the split is you can put like all your, you know, tools and you know, your lawnmower.
have a little workshop.
Yeah, exactly. Or if you have that weekend convertible or something.
That's
you know.
true.
All right, now
look
we
at
are
how-
in the primary.
This
What are
is
your...
big.
Yeah, you got 3 windows. Look at, you know, I didn't even notice it came with the blinds already.
It does. It comes with a lot of
And
things.
and it had a fridge.
Yes. So it comes with the blinds and the fridge. You get $50,000. I mean, like, I don't know. This is quite the deal.
Yeah, hit the dream home form, guys. Let's get you going on something like this if you're interested. These are the deals that we find. We're always hunting. All right, so now look at this ensuite. You've got split vanities. You definitely, this would be your section. And then I've got my section over here, which is plenty for me. You've got a soaking tub and a big oversized shower with a rain head.
Yeah, I like that tile. It's actually really pretty.
Yeah, and it's got the kind of the tile on the floor as well.
That penny tile type stuff. Yeah, I like
Yeah,
that.
no, I like this. All right, well, let's take a look at...
I like the way they carried it all the way around the bathtub. That's
To match it.
nice. Yeah, it's very nice. And then here is the closet. Decent size, nothing
No,
massive, but it's
good
good.
size. It's really good size. So there you guys have it. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below. Let us know what your thoughts are. Like I said, a single story, just under 3,000 square feet. The price of this home is $1,060,000. So you factor in that $50,000 buy down and all that good stuff, and you're right around that $1 million mark for Prosper ISD, huge lot. I mean, this checks off a lot of boxes for a lot of you. So let us know in the comments below what your thoughts are. This 90-day challenge is wrapping up, so we're going to be making some changes on this channel. Let us know what you guys want to see, and we're going to deliver it to you. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.
All right, if you've made it this far, you're definitely our kind of people. So let's make this easy. If you're planning a move to North Texas, click that dream home form below and tell us what you're looking for. We tour these homes every single day, and we'd love to help you get it right.